Hi, I am Manisha B. I am from National Technology. Today I am explaining about a smart health monitoring system. In this project we are using Arduino Uno and ECG sensor and pulse sensor and buzzer and temperature sensor and LCD display and Node MCU. All components are interfacing with the Arduino Uno, and by using Arduino Uno we can control all the components, and we are sending data from Arduino Uno to the Node MCU, and from Node MCU to we are interfacing with the Android app for storing the data. And this is the ECG sensor. By using ECG sensor we are calculating the we are measuring the heartbeat rate, and the ECG sensor consists of the three electrodes. These three electrodes, this red color electrode is usually we have to attach it to the right arm, and this one is we have to attach it to the left arm, and this yellow color is we have to attach it to the right leg. And by using three electrodes we are measuring the pulse rate, and this is the pulse, this is the heartbeat sensor. By using this sensor we can measure the oxygen rate, and this is the buzzer. Whenever temperature is high and pulse rate is low, on that time we will get the buzzer. And this is the temperature sensor. By using temperature sensor we can measure the temperature and humidity. And this is the LCD display. We can see all data on LCD display, and this one is the Node MCU. By using Node MCU we can interface with the Android app for storing the data. And here Node MCU we are using as a Wi-Fi, and Arduino we are using as a microcontroller. And this is the ECG sensor, and ECG consists of the three electrodes, and like this we have to attach, and we have to measure the pulse rate. And this is the heart sensor. By if you put finger like this it will measure. And temperature sensor, by using temperature sensor we can measure the temperature and humidity, and whenever it will cross the threshold voltage, on that time we will get the buzzer. And whatever data it sensors is measuring, that data it is sending from Arduino to Node MCU, and from Node MCU is sending to the Android app. In Android app we can see live data. That Android app name is the ThinkSpeak app. By using ThinkSpeak app we can see the live data. For more information please contact us. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share our channel.